Eureka is known for using its decades of experience in designing and manufacturing innovative commercial coffee grinders. They use this pedigree to pack power and convenience into machines built specifically for home baristas. We don't think this prowess has ever been more apparent than in their new Mignon line. Hi, I'm Ben with Clive Coffee. Today I'll be giving you a comparison and overview of Eureka's 3 new Mignon coffee grinders. In combining a unique modern design with great specs in a compact stainless steel body, Eureka's new lineup of Mignon grinders cannot be beat at their price point. Let's cover some of the core similarities. All 3 grinders produce wonderfully fluffy grinds that fall from the chute in a beautiful waterfall, making it easy to distribute the grinds into your portafilter basket for even extractions. That, in combination with Eureka's patented micrometric grind adjustment and time dosing, make all 3 a joy to use. They all share the same all-metal casing, which inspires complete confidence. And in classic Eureka fashion, they're easy to clean and maintain. Each is shockingly quiet, so much so that you can comfortably carry a conversation while using them. While similar, these 3 grinders offer a unique combination of features. In this video, I will compare all 3 side by side to help you find the best fit. Let's start with the Mignon SILENZIO. It's designed with simplicity in mind. Instead of a touchscreen display, it has a simple timed dosing dial and manual grinding toggle on the lower right-hand side. Nothing distracts from its sleek Italian design. For those that want to minimize the number of screens and LEDs in their kitchen, it's perfect. It's also the quietest and most affordable of the bunch, meaning from start to finish, your experience will be simple and relaxed. With 50mm flat steel burrs and Eureka's classic micrometric grind adjustment ergonomically located at the front of the grinder, you're able to precisely dial in smooth and consistent shots. Now on to the SPECIALITA, our team's favorite of the 3. This top-of-the-line grinder offers larger 55mm flat steel burrs, a beautiful white-on-black touchscreen display with 2 timed dose settings, and the same precise micrometric adjustment. This increase in burr size translates to improved grind consistency and cafe-quality shots. They're also significantly better at mitigating heat when pulling successive shots, which means you can impress every guest at your next dinner party. Bigger burrs makes the SPECIALITA faster than many larger commercial grinders out there, filling the portafilter basket in as little as 8 seconds. The SPECIALITA also happens to be the best single dosing grinder of the bunch. In fact, it's one of the best single dosing grinders I've ever used. Super low grind retention of about 1.5 grams and fast grind times make it a joy to use whether you fill the hopper or not. One of the best surprises of the SPECIALITA was how great it is as an all-purpose grinder. 2 rotations of the grind adjustment and we were able to brew super clean pour-overs. The PERFETTO has the most unique features of these 3 grinders. Its grind adjustment dial covers the entire spectrum of brew methods in just 1 rotation. The dial itself even has markings for different brew methods, making it easy to switch between them. This means that the PERFETTO does require more finesse when dialing in espresso than the other 2 models. The PERFETTO sports the same 50mm flat steel burrs and motor as the SILENZIO, along with the touchscreen display of the SPECIALITA. This means you get incredibly quiet operation as well as the precision of digital timed dosing. The combination of flexibility and particle size consistency makes the PERFETTO an ideal choice for those who enjoy a variety of brew methods on a regular basis. For decades, espresso has had the reputation of being loud, messy, and finicky. With simplicity, performance, and versatility, Eureka's new line of Mignon grinders is ready to revolutionize the home barista experience.